The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southeastern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, central Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, southeastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, northeastern Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Princeton to hardly to near Hadley, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Worcester, Framingham, Leominster, Fitchburg, Holyoke, Marlborough, Amherst, Shrewsbury, Northampton, Ludlow, Gardner, Hudson, Westboro, Grafton, Sudbury, South Hadley, Holden, Auburn, East Hampton, and Belchertown.
We're showing them what can be done.